Alapaattikoski, CEO, Brinter Inc. We're revolutionizing healthcare with our 3D bioprinting technology and applications. With our device, Brinter, we are printing bioimplants like meniscus to replace rigid metals and plastic pieces that are still put into people's knees every year. This is only the beginning, so with our first implants that we're heading towards clinical trials right now, we will be expanding to all the way to ears, nose, hip sockets, and other cartilage products. And that's only the beginning, because we are capable with this technology almost already to move towards other replacement parts for humans, and eventually organs. And this device is already commercial. We've sold $1 million worth of these for R&D purposes. We're right now getting our medical device classification 2 status, which means that these devices will be point of care at hospitals and clinics all around the world to do on-site printing of these bioimplant meniscuses to a patient's knees, so that we can get rid of those artificial metals and plastics and start replacing humans with biological replacement parts. We're currently preclinical. The experience that we've already had for 4 years that we're doing this testing of different biomaterials and developing our technology alongside with our patents, the response with our preclinical trials with animals and etc. has been really, really good. This is our 3D bioprinter. As I mentioned before, it's fully commercial for R&D purposes, and it's super easy to use with our user interface, fully web browser compliant. How do we do it? With the actual meniscus printing for our patients. We take an MRI of the patient's broken, injured meniscus. That 3D model we will upload to our user interface, through our user interface into our system. We fix the broken parts of the cartilage, and then we simply slice it, as in 3D bioprinter, we do, and then we move it to a printer, and with this device, we can immediately see the printing coming together in almost 30 minutes. Here you can see our super easy user interface. On a slicer part where you upload the meniscus implant, you can manipulate with different customization how you want to print it layer by layer, using curing and different kind of layer cell counts. You simply slice it, you examine that layers are perfectly aligned after each other, you decide the curing, and you simply send the print to a printer, print job to a printer. And now, by simply clicking the start button, you can see the print job starting, and after each layer, the final product will come together. For this demo purpose, we're not, of course, using the UV light to cure the layers, but you can see the full process coming together of printing a bioimplant as meniscus here. We're currently growing fast, and LSI is a great place to network with the strategic partnerships as well as investors, as we are raising money to get this company public by 2026.